Alright guys, so got a spot for the fuel can. Our fuel pump is right there. That's the pressure line, that's the pickup line. Just got to pop that pickup line off and connect something up to our fuel tank. Pressure side goes up to the filter, to the carby. Got to hook up the battery, and then we're good to go. This is non-ethanol. Oh, we're almost there. You helping? It was good to have a helper. All right. Figure out where it wants to go. You got to figure out where it wants to settle. Oh yeah, gee, my goodness. We're good. So now we just got to figure out where to aim our fancy little nozzle and hook the fuel line up. So 1/4 inch is just a little too small, but it is just fitting on there. So I'll use a little bit of Silk Glide and see if I can't get it to slip on. Again, this is temporary. This is just to get the car moved. Alright guys, so the 1/4 inch line I could just get on, maybe like a 1/2 inch, but it wouldn't go much farther, and I really didn't want to risk it popping off. Again, I don't have to move this car very far, but I realized the original fuel line, there is an extra filter right there, so I can just disconnect it from right there and just run that end to our fuel cell and just be done with it. So I'm just going to do that. I'll hook that line back up. So guys, obviously I had a feeling this would happen. This line's just a little too big for that, but that's fine. I've got some adapters. I'll make something work here in a second. All right guys, I made this up. 1/4 inch line to the right barb fitting, and then whatever that size is to the 3/8 line. And of course this will just slip on over here. So let's get it connected up. Figure out exactly where it wants to be. Should have lubed that up a little bit. That'll be all right there. So guys, that's basically it. Our fuel line is hooked up. I just got to open this vent, keep it open with some rubber bands, and we'll work on getting this thing started and we'll get it moved. Alright guys, we've got our makeshift battery set up. Fuel cells all hooked up. Got the rubber bands holding the breather open. Just gotta get her started. Well guys, we heard it run again, but I'm not gonna have it moved into the shop tonight. So that about wraps up the video. Gotta pull the carb off. Had the ramps all ready to go. Gotta put the tarp back on it. I already folded it up and put it in the shed. Well, that'll another day. We'll deal with this next weekend. As usual guys, thanks for watching. Obviously, to no surprise, today did not go as planned. This week I will probably pull the carburetor off this, do a minimal rebuild. It's just the accelerator pump that's leaking at the diaphragm. I have a spare carburetor in the back. I'll probably grab that out before I put the tarp back on, and I'll have to think about that one. I'm either going to take the parts off the other carburetor, put it on that one, and risk that leaking too, or just order a kit. I'll figure something out by the weekend though. And of course with holidays coming up and Christmas shopping and all that stuff, hopefully I can get a video up pretty quick of us moving the car 20 feet. So anyway guys, I'll see you on the next one.